Ever wondered how the right partnership can redefine vehicle protection? Enter the dynamic alliance between SureGuard, Warranty First, and Halfords. This collaboration isn't just about joining forces. It's about a shared commitment to excellence and customer satisfaction. It's about harnessing the power of three industry titans to revolutionize how we think about vehicle protection. Together, their synergy is paving the way for a new era of superior coverage. This collaboration is set to redefine vehicle protection standards. Imagine a vehicle protection plan that covers all your needs. With SureGuard's alliance with Warranty First and Halfords, we've crafted a comprehensive coverage that's truly unmatched. Picture this: roadside assistance at the ready for those unexpected hiccups, expert diagnostics pinpointing issues with precision, and quality repairs ensuring your vehicle stays in peak condition. This partnership is about more than just coverage. It's about providing a service tailored to your vehicle's unique requirements. With this partnership, your vehicle is in safe hands. What drives your decision when choosing a vehicle protection plan? Often, it boils down to trust and reliability. We all want to know that in our hour of need, someone has our back. At SureGuard, we've built our reputation by consistently delivering on our promises. Countless testimonials and case studies reflect this commitment. We're not just providing coverage, we're building relationships rooted in trust. With SureGuard, you're not just a customer, you're part of our family. Ever had a frustrating experience with vehicle repairs? Imagine a world where such worries are a thing of the past. That's what SureGuard, in partnership with Halfords, brings to you. A seamless integration of warranty solutions with a nationwide network of service centers. A streamlined claims process that's as easy as tying your shoelaces. Prompt, hassle-free repairs that keep your wheels turning and your peace of mind intact. With SureGuard, vehicle protection is a seamless experience. Ready to take control of your vehicle's protection journey? Let's explore together the benefits of SureGuard's partnership with Warranty First and Halfords. Imagine the peace of mind that comes with knowing your vehicle is protected by the best in the business, a shield of excellence that stands guard over your journeys. No more worries about unexpected repairs or breakdowns, just the open road and the assurance of reliable protection. Trust SureGuard and hit the road with confidence. In the journey of vehicle protection, SureGuard is your trusted companion. Our partnership with Warranty First and Halfords offers comprehensive coverage, seamless service experience, and fosters trust. Join the SureGuard family today and experience peace of mind like never before. Ready to secure your vehicle's future? Make the smart move. Visit the SureGuard website to unlock the benefits of our partnership with Warranty First and Halfords. Don't wait. Embrace the future of vehicle protection. SureGuard, where peace of mind meets unparalleled protection.